Hey, what's up, gang? I hope y'all liked that video that I just posted. Right now it's Saturday. I'm about to go pick up Ivan. We're about to go do some promotion on ourselves. Definitely check this out. This is definitely a behind the scenes of what we do. This is what I do on a daily basis. That's how I market myself. I got all my stuff ready to go right here. It's definitely gonna be a good Saturday, and I hope y'all have a safe one. And I'll just catch you on the next one. Peace. We all dressed up for today. We're gonna go hit up a car show today. Hey, so we just ordered our pizza right here. Y'all need to check out this pizza right here, South Flow. All right, gang, we just got our pizza. Check it out. We're about to open it right now.
Open now.
Damn. Let me get a close up. Look at that, fire. With the views. All right, we just got here to the car meet. Got the camera with me. Got my boy Q. He's about to be my photographer for today. Hey, you taking the camera for today? He has the same one, but he just didn't bring it today. But he already knows how to use it. He's gonna be the man behind. Hey, all right, gang. We out here. Hey, we got cars pulling up right now. You see the vibes. You see the vibes. I just got done talking to the coordinator of the event, and we might have to set something up. For real, we might have to set something up. Hey, we linked up with my boy Raul.
What's up,
Hey,
guys?
this is the Cadillac owner.
Hey, how's everybody doing?
Hey, it's probably the best detailed car in the show right now. Like, for real. Nah,
The cleanest one here.
Yeah,
huh?
nah, like the shiniest one.